Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your smartwatch with an Android phone. First, fully charge your new smartwatch. At least 80% power is ideal for a smooth setup process. Next, turn on your Android phone's Bluetooth and download the correct companion app, often the Wear OS application or your watch brand specific one. Open the app and follow its simple instructions to pair your devices, typically taking just a few minutes to complete this initial connection. After pairing, configuring essential apps ensures your smartwatch works seamlessly with your phone. You will need to grant specific permissions to the companion app, like access to notifications and your location data, so your watch can function properly. Sync your primary Google account, along with any fitness or messaging apps you wish to use on your wrist. Double-check your phone's notification settings, ensuring the watch app has permission to send alerts directly to your device. Customizing your smartwatch's appearance and notifications makes it truly yours. You can browse hundreds of watch faces through the companion app, choosing one that matches your style and needs. Personalize your selection by changing colors, adding useful complications like weather or battery life, and arranging the layout. Furthermore, manage notification settings for individual apps on your phone, deciding precisely which alerts arrive on your wrist and which do not. Your smartwatch offers powerful features designed to simplify your day. Effortlessly track your fitness, monitoring steps, heart rate, and sleep with precision, all viewable in your phone's health app. Make convenient contactless payments at stores directly from your wrist, eliminating the need to pull out your phone or wallet. Plus, use your voice assistant to set timers, ask questions, or send texts hands-free, making tasks much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.